The price action on Shiba Inu coin is looking amazing today. Beautiful bottom left-hand side of the screen to upper right-hand side of the screen graph as Shiba Inu coin is up nearly 5%. But the good news is Bitcoin is up even more. We're going to talk a little bit about the relationship between Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin in this video and what it could result in. Because guys, if Shiba Inu coin continues to move higher, if the meme coin rally is back, you are going to see massive gains in other meme coins as well. It is not going to be just limited to Shiba Inu coin. In fact, we could see Shiba Inu coin soaring back up to those all-time highs. On top of that, we could see brand new meme coins like Dogeverse rising even higher. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and I want to give a huge shout out over to the guys of the Dogeverse team because they are creating something amazing here. And I'm going to be bringing this back up in a second. But if you guys do find yourself interested in buying, please use the affiliate link that's in the description below. You are going to pull up the correct website. Anything that can raise over $15 million has a lot of scammers out there, and I don't want to see you guys getting scammed by anybody. So make sure you use that official affiliate link out there so you know you're pulling up the correct website. But we need to jump back in and talk about this price action just briefly here. Shiba Inu coin, as you guys can see, is soaring beautifully today, bottom left to upper right, as it is up about 5% on the daily chart. It is now outside of that bull flag pattern and getting ready to test resistance at the current level of 24.50, which is a very strong sign. Now, the last time that we tested this level, we did not break through, but this time could be an absolute different story because this time, Bitcoin is soaring. Guys, you can see that Bitcoin is breaking up through those previous levels of resistance here. You guys have Bitcoin on the rise right now. Bitcoin up 7% on the day today. And anytime Bitcoin outpaces altcoins or meme coins like Shiba Inu coin, they are very, very quick to follow. So Shiba Inu coin may not be rising as much as Bitcoin today, but usually you do have SHIB following right along afterwards and moving beautifully higher. One thing that could also rise right along and move beautifully higher is Dogeverse here. But we're going to be talking about Dogeverse in a second, but I just want to touch on this article that shows you Shiba Inu coin's current consolidation may be breaking out, and we might be pushing towards that 8,800 point per coin all-time high. Shiba Inu coin currently trades in an intermission phase, looking to continue the previous upward trend in a push towards the all-time high of 8,800 points per coin. Cryptocurrency markets in a period of heightened uncertainty in the short term, and the SHIB consolidation is a direct result of the uncertainty, with its price being between 26.30 and the low of 20.57 throughout the entire month. But with Bitcoin breaking out right now, it could be leading and lending the confidence that Shiba Inu coin needs to soar. And let me just tell you, if Shiba Inu coin begins to soar back up to its all-time high, you're going to see what? Roughly a 3x increase in price. Maybe, if we break the all-time high, a 4x increase in price. Now, that's because the market cap is so ridiculously high already. If you're looking at other meme coins that should follow right along, you have Dogeverse. Now, Dogeverse is still in the pre-sale stages right now, but Dogeverse is doing an amazing job to raise a lot of money. They have already surpassed the $15 million raise, and I believe they're doing this for a variety of reasons. So like I said at the beginning of the video, if you find yourself at any point interested in buying Dogeverse so that you can lock in this price of 0.00031, make sure you use that affiliate link that's in the description below because there are a lot of scam websites out there. If you just simply Google Dogeverse, I mean, you can see you got a fake Instagram account right here. You've got different sponsored websites. This is a fake Dogeverse.network. No, these are all fake websites, and you're going to get scammed if you go out there. So do yourself a favor and don't worry about Googling it. But if you find yourself interested in buying, we'll talk about the reasons why in a second, but you can grab 62 Ethereum worth, and you're going to walk away with 590 million Dogeverse. That is a lot of Dogeverse. You can also buy on the Binance Network, the Matic Network, or the Polygon Network, Avalanche, Base, and Solana. Not only can you buy on those networks, you can also claim on those networks. And that is where the utility comes in. Guys, you thought I was just talking about some sort of a meme coin because it's got a dog as its logo. You thought I was talking about a meme coin because its Shiba Inu coin is its mascot, or Shiba Inu is its mascot. We're talking about a utility bridge here. Bridge between the top 6 most active blockchains outside of Bitcoin. Guys, we're not talking about some meme. We're talking about an X account that has already surpassed 17, and by the end of the day, most likely 18,000 followers, and people committed to seeing Dogeverse through. These guys are extremely active out on the X platform, posting every single day, and they are getting wild amounts of impressions. 7,000, 32,000, 44,000, 42,000. These guys are getting noticed, and it's resulting in a massive amount of sells or a massive amount of sales for the Dogeverse team here. So why are people buying in? The bridging technology. The bridging technology coupled with this meme coin attitude could create astronomical demand for Dogeverse. And if it does, this price of 0.0003, it's not going to last very long. We might see some launch day volatility, sure. But this price of 0.0003, when people understand that they can use Dogeverse to bridge the same as all of these other bridges out there, simply moving Ethereum over to the Solana network. USDC coin? All right, perfect. You want Solana? All right, perfect. With a click of a button, you can seamlessly move, or will be able to seamlessly move on Dogeverse from one blockchain to another. Now let's talk about this 62 Ethereum buy right now. The whales are pouring in. And I believe the whales are pouring in, yes, because of the utility that Dogeverse is building, the meme coin attitude, but also they see Shiba Inu coin rising. They see these price predictions of all-time highs being hit, and they know that during a bull market, the meme coin euphoria hits all meme coins. Now, something that has, 3, 4, 5x potential, amazing. But Dogeverse's potential is unlimited. The market cap is going to be so small on launch compared to all of these other major meme coins out there that it is going to be able to outperform them simply based on the fact that it is so small in comparison. Now, if you want to see, the whales are buying in. 62 Ethereum worth of Dogeverse was purchased just a couple of days ago. This is a massive, incredible buy, and somebody is gearing up to make a lot of money. Think about it. If Dogeverse just 10x's, these guys are walking away with nearly $2 million. And if you look at other pre-sales, Slothana just nearly hitting a 10x increase. Doge20 hit it nearly a 10x increase from its low to its recent peak. These tokens are on the move right now, and people are paying attention. Which is why, full disclaimer, full disclosure, whatever you want to call it, I have bought into Dogeverse, and I am very excited about the potential that Dogeverse brings. Not only because it's an amazing meme coin, because it's got crazy utility as well, that if coupled, that meme coin mentality and the utility, the demand could drive that price astronomically higher during a bull market. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. Let me know if you guys are buying in down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.